Okay, let's open our Excel Test Expert file and go to the File menu and Save As, and click on Excel Expert Working. Save. Yes, we want to replace the original. And now open Excel X Working 2 and click in cell A7, and let's click the Paste Function button and select Math and Trig under Category, and we want to scroll down and select Round under Function Name, and OK. And now click the Reduce or Collapse button, and we want to go to the Windows menu and select Excel Expert Working and click on cell B5. And now click the Expand button, that one there, and type 2 in the num digits box, and then OK. And now copy that down to A13 using that drag handle. And we've copied everything there, exactly the same cell. So let's remove the $sign between the B and the 5, and now copy that down again. And that looks better. Now copy that complete block across to A13. We see that the columns are now identical, so we want to remove that other $sign before the B. And now copy that cell down and then the whole block across again, because we want to copy that, we want to transfer the information from the previous worksheet to this one. Let's widen that section there, and let's click in A8 and change the 2 at the end of the formula to 1, and let's click in A9 and change the 2 to a 0 and see the different effects we get. Now click in A10 and change the 2 to -1, and we see that it rounds everything off to the nearest 10. Now let's click in A12 and change it to -2, and that rounds it off to the nearest 100. And then in A13, if we change it to -3, it rounds everything off to the nearest 1000. And now let's click in A15 and type equals round open parentheses sum open parentheses A7 colon A13 close parentheses comma 2 and close parentheses, and press the enter key. Okay, now we can close Excel Working 2, or Excel X Working 2 I should say, and we don't really need to save that. Let's click on the Sales tab in Excel Expert Working 2 and go to the Data menu and Filter, and let's select Auto Filter, and from the drop down arrow for Salesperson, let's click on J Keno, and now let's click the Salesperson drop arrow and select All, and they're all back again. Now let's click on the Salesperson drop arrow again and select M Blake, And then let's refine it a little bit further by clicking on the month drop arrow and select January. Okay, now let's go to the data menu, filter and show all. And now select the drop arrow for units and select custom. From the first drop arrow under units, select is greater than or equal to and type 1500 in the box to the right. We'll leave the and selected and then click on the next box and select is less than or equal to and type 2500 in the box and then click OK. Okay, now from the units drop arrow, let's select all again. Okay, from the products drop arrow, let's select custom and type MS asterisk in the box on the right and OK. And let's go to the data menu and filter and turn off the auto filter. Now let's scroll down to the bottom of the worksheet and click in A196 and type product, and in B196 we'll type salesperson, and then on the following line we'll type K Montman, and we'll type the information as in the manual. And now click inside the our original data and go to the data menu and filter and advanced filter, and our main range is already selected. Let's scroll down to the bottom and make sure that's selected properly, and then we want to click in the criteria range cell, and we can either type in the references for that or simply select the block that we want. And then we can click on OK, and let's scroll up to make sure it's selected the right information, and then we can go to the data menu, filter, show all, and we can save that